Are you looking for a fast and simple way to check beam reactions, shear force, bending moment, and deflection? Introducing the RHCES Beam Calculator, a free online tool from RHCES Engineering Services. This tool helps students, engineers, and designers perform quick beam analysis directly from the browser. No installation is needed. Just open the calculator, enter the beam details, add the loads, and view the results instantly. The RHCES Beam Calculator can analyze simply supported beams and cantilever beams. It also supports metric and imperial units, making it useful for different engineering applications. You can enter the beam span, modulus of elasticity, and moment of inertia. Then you can add different load types such as point loads, uniform distributed loads, partial UDL, and applied moments. After entering the data, the calculator automatically generates the loading diagram, shear force diagram, bending moment diagram, and deflection curve. It also shows important results such as support reactions, maximum shear, maximum bending moment, and maximum deflection. This tool is useful for preliminary design checks, school exercises, manual calculation verification, and quick structural review. For cantilever beams, the fixed support is located at the left side and the right end is free. Downward loads are considered positive, and counterclockwise moments are also considered positive. With its simple interface and instant diagram updates, the RHCES Beam Calculator makes beam analysis easier, faster, and more visual. Try the RHCES Beam Calculator today at rhces.com/beam-calculator, RHCES Beam Calculator. Simple input, instant diagrams, and smarter beam analysis.